Good morning, friends. Myself, I am Hardik, presently working in Rajesh Maharaj Polytechnic Nasik. Today, we will see the impact of jet, chapter number 4 in fluid mechanics and machinery. So, let's start the fluid mechanics. And so, this chapter is 8 marks for the exam. So, what is this is a content impact of jet on vertical moving flat plate, impact of jet curve when parallel with turbine and pumps. So, in this chapter, first is a jet propulsion. So, what do you mean jet propulsion? When water under pressure flowing in the pipe and discharged through the nozzle, and it leaves from the nozzle in the form of jet with high velocity. This kinetic energy of jet utilized from for the work done of the turbine is called as jet propulsion. So, what is a jet propulsion? So jet impings on strike on surface plate like this energy get converted into force and this work under according to the Newton's second law of motions. So when jet leaves from nozzle, it exerts reactive force on nozzle. This reactive force pushes it backward and this action is known as jet propulsion. So alternately the work supplied to the rotor is used to raise the pressure in terms of pump and compressor. So this is a jet propulsion. So definition write down kara jet propulsion. Yeah. So next is a impact of jet. So what do you mean impact of jet? The force exerted by jet on a plate or a vane. Vane means blade of the turbines or any rotors. May be stationary or moving is called as impact of jet. Force exerted by jet on a plate on a vane which may be stationary or moving is called as impact of jet. So according to second law of motion and impulse momentum principle, force is exerted. So this concept of impact of jet is used to determine the forces and work done through pipes. So impact of jet moving plates or vanes probably on the boats or ships or airplane is called as jet propulsions. So the aim of this chapter to determine the forces moving or stationary. So let's start. Write down the definitions. झालं की मला सांगा. Say to correct. So in this case, there are the 6 cases. First is impact of jet on stationary plate, impact of jet on moving plate. So impact of jet on stationary plate, case first is when fixed plate is perpendicular to the jet. Next, plate is inclined and plate is curved. Similarly, for moving plates, plate is inclined, plate is moving in the direction of jet, plate is inclined and plate is curved. So let's start first case. In that case, force due to impact of jet on fixed plate. So consider a jet of water having cross-sectional area moving with velocity v and area a. So the mass flow rate is rho aq, that is a density into area into velocity. So jet may strike on a fixed plate either in normal direction. So it is assumed that the plate is perfectly smooth and friction is zero. So there is no loss of energy during the impact of jet and velocity is uniform. So next is case first. So firstly draw the diagram. There is a nozzle, jet striking on waters, jet striking on waters. So firstly draw the figures. So let's start the consider a fluid jet striking on fixed plate. So there is a one plate. Some question asked in a board exam. Draw the neat sketch of impact of jet on a fixed plate and write down the formula and determine the force exerted by jet. So next is a find the force of impact on striking on plate. So consider jet striking on a fixed plate normal to the jet as shown in figure. A is a cross-sectional area, V is the velocity and rho is a density. So in that problem, when jet strike on a plate, its momentum completely destroy and the application of force. So force acting on a plate in the direction of normal to the plate can be determined by impulse momentum equation. So force is equal to mass into V1 minus V2. So there is a V1 is the initial velocity V and V2 is the output is 0 because the plate is stationary. So how to determine force is equal to mass into initial velocity minus final velocity. So where m is equal to rho q. So rho a. So in that rho a v minus 0. So force is rho a v square. So this is a required answer of your problem. Okay. So this is rho a v square. So write down. Let A is the cross-sectional area, V is the velocity, and rho is the density. So let's see the examples. So first example is summer 13 8 marks. So water is flowing through the pipes at the end of nozzle is fitted. The diameter of nozzle is 100 mm and head of water at the center of nozzle is 100 mm. Find the force exerted by jet on a fixed vertical plate. The coefficient of velocity is given by 0.95. So the diameter of nozzle D is equal to 100 mm, zero point 0.1 meter. Head H is equal to 100 meter. So coefficient of velocity CV is 0.95. So jet velocity is V is equal to CV under root twice GH. So diameter is 100 mm converted into meter. So CV under root twice GH for 0.95 into 2 into 9.81 into 100, that is 42.08. So mass flow rate is rho AV. So with the help of that formula, rho AV square, the force is 13907 Newton. Okay, so write down this. So next example, the jet of water is 50 mm diameter, is discharged under the constant head 70 meter. Find the force exerted by jet, take coefficient of velocity 0.9. So this is a simple answer. Diameter is D is given 50 mm. So converted into meter, H is 70 meter, coefficient of velocity is 0.9. So V is equal to CV under root twice GH. So mass flow rate is rho AV. So with the help of that, rho AV square, the force is 2183.8 Newton. So this is the required answer. Write down. So next, a jet of water 80 mm diameter moving with velocity 20 meter per second striking on stationary plate. Find the normal force on the plate when plate is normal to the jet and the angle of contact is, so this is case 2. So first is case normal to the jet. So with the help of diameter 80 mm converted into meter, so velocity is given. So area is pi by 4 d square. So mass flow rate is rho a v. So with that formula, rho a v square 2010.6 Newton is the required answer. Okay, so the first case is over. So this is our first case. Next lecture, see the second case. Thank you.